Sheikh Nuhu Muzaata Bate was a Muslim Imam leader in Uganda, also head of Dawa in Uganda, a teacher of Arabic Islam, philanthropist, marriage teacher and counselor. Sheikh Nuhu Muzaata Bate was born in 1950s to the late Adam Muzata in Bwaise, Lufula zone close to Kimombasa area. His father was Adam Muzata, a sheikh and also known as Islamic religious healer. He used the Holy Quran to treat the sick through a dua, which other Muslims criticized, saying it's evil. It's said the late Kamadi Muzata, Sheikh Muzata's grandfather, originated from Tanzania, migrated to Uganda in the early 1800s and settled in Buganda region. Muzata's father, Adam Muzata, died in 1990 and was buried in Kazo. A source close to Muzata family disclosed that Muzata also said that Kamadi Muzata was a native doctor. He treated many people, including one of Kabaka Suna's wife named Muganziraza. Muganziraza was the mother to Sekabaka Mwanga too, but later on, Kamadi Muzata shifted to Mbale, where Nuhu Muzata's father was born. Sheikh Muzata began studying the moment he started speaking. His father started English and taught him Islamic religion and the Holy Quran. After making 7 years of age, Sheikh Muzata was taken to Bilal Islamic School in Bwaise. A close source says, ever since his childhood, Muzata was a scarecrow just like his father. His father was tall, energetic, and dark-skinned like his son, Muzata. In Bilal Islamic School, Muzata studied for only a short time and his father shifted him to Bilal Quran Islamic School for Mabinyira in Wandegeya. Former students at Bilal, now Sheikh Muzata's, knew that he was a scarecrow at the school to the extent that even teachers were careful about him because of his body structure, language, adding that he was a cruel man as well. They also said Muzata was feared by every student, including those who were in upper classrooms, that when you annoy him, he acts immediately with a slap or kick without anyone intervening. Most of these sheikhs who preferred anonymity attended Bilal Quran Islamic School in Wandegeya, together with Muzata from 1979 and at university in Medina. The sheikh's father said one time Muzata led a student strike at Bilal Quran Islamic School and they destroyed a lot of property belonging to the head teacher, accusing him of poor administrative strategies. However, the sheikh says besides his character, he was a clever boy in class. He could read Arabic words correctly. Muzata was said to have participated in various clubs in school, including debating clubs like politics and religion. In 1982, Sheikh Nuhu Muzaata Bate finished his studies at Bilal and joined the University of Medina in Saudi Arabia, where he was ordained as sheikh. After Muzata returned home, he began doing business alongside preaching the word of Allah. He then established a tour and travel company destined to Mecca and Medina for the Muslim intending to make Hijrah and Umrah, a business he still runs. As head of Dawa in Uganda, Muzata was educated in that field, present papers, and again had to be interviewed because of his eligibility in that position. He's been a leader and holds a degree in Sharia laws, aged between 40 to 7 years without any criminal record. Sheikh Muzata's marriage life and family, a close source of Sheikh Nuhu Muzaata Bate said, his first wife was a daughter to the late Bujirita, but after some time the two separated. Today Muzata has two wives, include Kurusum Muzata, who works with Kampala Capital City Authority as clerk. Muzata says Muzata said the first war he fought was concerning leadership, who qualifies to be a leader in the Islamic religion. That's why sometimes back he had issues with old Kampala Muslim leaders. Muzata was the root cause of divisionism among Muslims in Uganda. And the other war was on Muslim properties that included buildings, land which can be carried away like a kavera. He wanted to know why all these wrangles were happening. Muzata met the president and tried to resolve the matter, which stopped As we continue to unfold Sheikh Muzata's biography, October 2019, Sheikh Muzata attacked the BET award winner Idrissa Msuza alias Eddie Kenzo, accusing him of neglecting Rema's love feelings, and now Rema got someone who values her. The late Muzata lived together with his family but had to talk about different entertainment parties because those could talk to him. He then told the BET award winner to go and marry his mother, if at all he wants to wait until a woman turns her mother's age. Muzata allegedly accused Kenzo for being gay just because he wears earpins, and the reason why he's in America, something Kenzo said had led him sleepless nights. And the matter turned into war between Kenzo and Muzata. Later on, Kenzo and Muzata reconciled before he fell ill. In the early 2019, Muzata came out and hailed the Chadondo East legislator Robert Kyagulanyi aka Bobby Wine, saying he's a gift from God. In a video recorded by one of the TV stations while Muzata was preaching to fellow Muslims, he warned people who are against Bobby Wine and urged them to calculatively launch attacks against him. Muzata further attacked other Christian leaders that included Pastor Sempa of Makerere Christian Church, Pastor Joseph Serada of Victory Christian Church Ndeba, who attacked Bobby Wine for plagiarizing the Tuliyambalengule song, which turned political, and yet it was a religious song. In 2018, Sheikh Nuhu Muzaata accused his fellow Sheikh Umar Kamoga, a religious healer who uses Quran to heal the sick, to be a con man who is misusing the Quran for evil practices. He said that he gets confused to see people get to Sheikh Umar to help them with their struggles, yet Sheikh Umar can't help himself out of troubles he faces. In 2017, Muzaata attacked Buganda Land Board after they announced the registration of all people occupying Kabaka land to obtain Chapa Mungalo. In the same year, Muzaata also attacked MC Mariachi, a city comedian, for disgracing the Islamic religion at his stage performances. But later on, Muzaata apologized to him amidst believers after Mariachi appeared at Kibuli Mosque for prayers. Once again, accused him of turning his comedy station into a platform that used to attack Muslim leaders in the country, disrespecting Muslim faith. He said that Mariachi crossed his limits and instructed Muslims to beat him up. In January 2016, Muzaata attacked Abdallah Kitata, accusing him of being a con man who also fired back at Muzaata. In November 2016, Muzaata attacked the Inspector of Police, General Kale Kayihura, accusing him of intervening in Islamic issues, purposely to create disorganization among Muslims. In June 2016, Bobby Wine gave him 14 days to file an apology before Mengo following his unethical and disrespectful statements he made over a Tofali collection by the Katikiro of Buganda, Charles Peter Maiga. In May 2015, Muzaata attacked Katikiro, accusing him of Tofali, a project that was instituted by Katikiro of Buganda purposely to develop the Buganda Kingdom, which according to Muzaata was a useless program for Baganda. But later on, the late Sheikh Muzaata created peace and unity between him and the Katikiro. He argued that this kind of Muslims never attend to God while they lived. After death, the Imams offered money for the deceased. In 2006, videos of Muzaata attacking Sheikh Shaban trended in the media, where he accused him of stealing Muslim properties and then mobilized Muslims not to allow Mubaje in the ministry not even conduct prayers. May his soul rest in peace.